In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash on delivery on Aliexpress. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. Now, cash on delivery is available in all cities of Saudi Arabia. You can pay with cash at your door for online orders. Step 1 is to find products that are qualified for AliExpress direct shipping. Can only be used for products that qualify for direct shipping as well. The system will use AliExpress Direct as the default shipping logistic. After that, you can add your favorite items to the cart and they can be from different stores as well. And now step 3 is to place an order, purchase the items all in one order so you can enjoy free AliExpress direct shipping. After that, choose the cash on delivery payment method and input the 6-digit code sent to your phone number to make an order. Step 4 to confirm the order, you will receive a package notification within 9 days when it's ready to ship to your city. Open the app and confirm your order details. Then step 5 is delivery and payment. The courier will call you to confirm the delivery time. Your package will be delivered within 2 days after setting the delivery time. Then, please be at the set address and ready with cash on hand during your set delivery time. Another good thing you can have is refund. AliExpress will provide an unconditional coupon for the same amount as your refunded order. So this was an easy and quick process video. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.